Okay, YouTube, Todd here again. Wanted to do a quick video on a fix I just did. I'm a new homeowner, so yay me. One of the first things I noticed, actually, a home inspector pointed it out, was the filters on the HVAC unit. And this is pretty small, using my hand for kind of for some scaling here. But the filters needed cleaning, and the filters, this is in mobile home HVAC speak, is called the A coils. I've learned that since digging extensively on online looking for these filters. The home also, previous owner, had a large dog, so yes, it had the doggy smell. Not terrible, but I don't have a dog, and even if I did, really wouldn't want really want to smell somebody else's dog. And I probably should have done a video before. I've cleaned all this out. It was extremely dusty. I'm not sure if this is called the air handler or what. It was, well, here's some I missed. It was about like that, but all over. Okay, all over everything. And the filters, let me grab one. This is the filter that goes in these things. This one looks pretty good now after we've cleaned it a lot, but it was probably caked up with, I don't know, good, no exaggeration, a ½ inch of dust, dog hair, everything else. So one of them got a little damaged, a little overzealous. My daughter was cleaning it, bent it, and some of the mesh. This is basically like what you see in a range hood, and it would fit. This clip comes off with these two screws. Yeah, that one. This clip comes off. It just slides in there very thin. But I just wanted to replace them, mainly because they're kind of still dirty. They've probably never been cleaned. You can kind of see, looking at that duct there. I guess I'll hit that before after I shut the video down. And the big problem was I couldn't find filters. I looked everywhere. This is an easy clean filter, right? I looked everywhere for it. You see, right? That's part of the answer. What I found after going to a local mobile home supply place after spending hours on the internet. And here's the fix. This is a stop by Lowe's, I think, $5. Maybe I might have been 10. I don't know. But this is just a trim to fit filter that I've stuffed inside the door, and a couple of wire coat hangers I've disassembled and made braces with. I had to bend them just a little bit. Fits maybe not quite perfect. I got it off a little bit. Next time I'll use this as a template, and sorry about that, losing my battery. I'll use this one as a template, and probably keep it the full 20 inches wide. And this was this door is 20 by 27. I cannot find a paper filter to fit that, so I just made my own. Already had the coat hangers, already had some wire cutters. You can bend them and twist them if you want, if you don't have wire cutters. The filter was, like I said, about, I think it was just $5. It's washable, so you can take it out, rinse it out, and so far so good. The reason you need the coat hangers, by the way, when this kicks on, it does move a pretty good amount of air, and it'll, if you didn't have a support, it would suck the filter right out of it, and it would be wrapped around the coils and not really filtering anything. I've tested it. It holds so far so good for $5, and I don't know, maybe took me a ½ hour. Pretty good fix. So let me know if you guys have any other solutions, if you know where to get these crazy filters, because I can't find them. This is a small home, so I found them in bigger sizes, but not this size. And they're much more expensive than $5. And I think it's, it's doing the same thing, maybe even let a little bit more airflow. And hopefully we're getting rid of the doggy smell. I've treated the carpet with some stuff from PetSmart. It helps some, but I'm sure it's gotten in the HVAC, and I don't know, kind of an ongoing battle. But either way, doggy smell or not, at least those filters. Now I have vacuumed these coils out a little bit, but the filters that were in there, even if they were never changed, kept coils, condenser, whatever this thing's called, kept it pretty clean. So anyway, let me know your thoughts. You have other ideas? Budget fix, budget DIY. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.